Adding a smart electronic lock is a great way to upgrade your home security with modern convenience. Here's what to know before choosing one for your home. A standard electronic lock typically has a keypad and unlocks with a numeric code. Many also have a manual knob and a key slot as backup. They're more affordable and easier to install. Smart locks connect to your smartphone or smart home system, so you can lock or unlock your door remotely. They offer more security features, but also cost more and require extra setup. Most smart locks let you create and cancel multiple lock codes, track who enters, and give temporary access to guests. Some also work with your home security system and offer additional protection like two-factor authentication. To choose the right lock, think about how you want to unlock your door and whether you prefer keypad codes, mobile control, or fingerprint options. Also consider if you want it to work with your smart home system. There are many electronic lock types like deadbolts, handle sets, and knobs. Make sure the style fits your door and matches your home's look. Most smart locks run on batteries, so choose a model with long battery life and low battery alerts. Decide if you want Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or hub-based connectivity for remote access. Browse the selection of smart locks available at Lowe's to pick one that fits your lifestyle and keeps your home secure.